Greetings, Chi Zeta Omega. I wanted to take this opportunity to say congratulations to the Health Committee on a job well done on the first annual Stiletto Walk. I unfortunately was not able to attend, but I heard that it was just fantastic. Soror Karen and Soror Lavardis, you are to be commended. I want to thank you so much, one, for having the vision to have a stiletto walk. Who would have thunk it? I know I don't walk in heels, even just to a party. So to get people together to enjoy fun and also to raise money for the Kidney Foundation at the same time, it just was a wonderful concept, and you pulled it off. You told me you could do it, and you did. So I applaud you. And so through this effort, Chi Zeta Omega was able to present a check to the Kidney Foundation for $750. Sorors, I want to thank a few people, and I know there are many other people from the committee who did work, and Soror Karen and Soror Lavardis will be sending out their thank yous, but I just want to thank a few people that I know played a part. I've already mentioned Soror Karen and Soror Lavardis. I'd like to thank Soror Charles Duncan for signing the contract. He lives in Richardson so that we could use Huffines Park. I'd like to thank Soror Nichelle for introducing us to Eventbrite so that we could put our liability information on it so we could get the release up front along with the payment, which helped us with the registration process and making sure that our chapter was protected as we do this event. I want to thank Soror Irene Vasquez. She coerced her husband into making this wonderful logo. Wonderful job, and did the banner and also did directional signs and just contributed all the way around. She also had the Global Poverty Committee out there with a table to provide information. So great job, Soror Irene. Soror Chantel Love, I know that you were very supportive in helping Soror Karen and Soror Lavardis with all the logistical pieces, the details. Thank you so much. And you also were in charge of entertainment. I know that made the difference in the event. Soror Saran Brown, I want to thank you for doing on-site registration as well as having a meeting place for people to pick up their bibs and their t-shirts prior to registration. I know you and Soror Krishan were in charge of on-site registration. I'm sure it went well. Soror Chris, you volunteered to head up the cleanup. That is a thankless job. Soror Chris Sanders, thank you. Like I said, there are many more thank yous to come, and I want to thank all of our sorors who took the opportunity to like us on Facebook so that people could see this event. It's all about creating awareness so that next year, when we have this event, they will already know and hopefully will come out. We had over 50 participants. Next year it's going to be even greater. Thanks a lot, sorors. I'll see you at chapter meeting.